Okay, in today's video, we have the Ipsy Icon box. This is for November 2024. And today, where's my phone? Today is Tuesday, October 29th. It is 1:41. So I got this pretty early because I wasn't expecting this to be here till I think around the 1st or something like that. So I was excited. So I hurried up, threw on a little tiny bit of makeup so I looked alive. Anyway, that was a long-ass intro.
Shut up and get to the point!
If you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this puppy worth the money? Keep on watching. Today's co-host is Miss Akira, a.k.a. Kiri, a.k.a. Bone Chewer. Alright, like I said earlier, this is the Ipsy Icon box, and this is a seasonal subscription, so you get it every 3 months, and they always curate with a different influencer or brand. Now, I'm going to keep it real. I don't know any spoilers. I don't even know who is this month's, well, will be for November's curator. I have no idea. Ah, I see who it is. Let me know down below. Put it on pause. Let me know down below who you think the curator is, if you know. Alright, so it is Lisa Vanderpump. Now, I know she has, what is it, Vanderpump Rules or something like that. I really don't know too much about her, to be honest. I don't watch a lot of reality TV, but she's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so when you open her up, it says, what's in my bag? So it tells you, like, what everything could be in the bag. I forgot, that's right, it gives you prices in here. I forgot. And here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. There is something in here that I'm seeing. I am so excited, and I'm going to take that out first. This is my absolutely, if you guys know me, you know my favorite skincare brand is Keys Soul Care. This is Alicia Keys' brand. My favorite. Did I tell you it's my favorite? Okay, what you be? This is a truly becoming multi-benefit peptide serum. Ooh, I don't have this. I don't know if this is new, but yes. Get my knife. I just love her packaging. It's like a dark purple. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's a pump. I just want to see what it feels like. Okay, so it's like a cream. Doesn't look like an oil, you know, but it feels like an oil. This feels nice. This feels really nice. And you don't really have a scent. Usually with Keys, you don't, which I like. I'd rather have no scent with my skincare. All right, let's look her up. Okay, so it says this plumping, hydrating serum is behind Lisa's ageless complexion. It's $38. Now, let's keep it real. Most of these celebrities and stuff, yes, genetics has a lot to do with it, right? But they also get things done. I'm not saying she had like a facelift or anything like that, but they definitely get Botox and fillers, and they go to the spa and get treatments and microderming. Don't ever believe it's just one thing that's helping them make them look younger. It's not. It's money. Let's keep that a buck. All right, but skincare does help. Absolutely. Okay, moving on. Oh, by the way, did I show you my thing? I got this at Walmart for $10. It says bad to the bones, but I think this is in pajamas because it came like you bought 2 pieces, but the pants were definitely pajama pants, but I don't care. It's comfy and I'm wearing it.
You're a combination of spontaneous combustion and ADD mixed together. I'm not kidding. It's very difficult to listen to you.
Okay, the next thing we got is from Origins. Oh, I like this brand too. This is the Ginseng SPF 30. So is this just an SPF? If it is, I'm not going to open it. Let me see. Okay, this is a daily moisturizer with SPF 30 in it, and it's $38. Okay, so I'll open it up. Only because if it was just an SPF, I have so many not even open, and I'd rather give it to somebody that would use it. Looks like that. Oh. I took a little bit too much out. It absolutely feels like it's just an SPF, but it does say it's a moisturizer. But see, it has a pleasant smell, but it smells like the beach. Like this is definitely, I think this is just an SPF. It's just a moisturizing SPF. Let me see. It says the fermented ginseng helps fight off free radicals while SPF 30 protects against UVB rays. All right. I already opened it. I'll use it. If you don't know, I have a second channel called Just Anne's World, and it's a blog channel. So I'll definitely, when I'm going outside doing my walk and talks or what have you, I'll definitely be using it then. Absolutely. Now my hands feel sticky. Oh, I hate that. Oh, I don't like that. I had to get that off. All right, what we got? The next thing is from Laura Mercier. I don't know if you pronounce it Mercier or Mercier. I have no idea, but what you be? Okay, it's eyeliner pencil. Please don't be in black. Please don't be in black. Ooh, dark plum. Now, that's like a dark color, okay? But it's not black. All right. Looks like that. So, it's the kind that you sharpen, which I'm okay with. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's a very dark, you know, like a plum color. I think, but if you had it on your eyes, you know, it might pass for black, but it's very beautiful. I think this will look great with blue eyes. That's pretty. And then you can go light. Let's do a light stroke. Get your mind out of the gutter. Right there. All right, it's very creamy. I really enjoy Laura Mercier's products. I know they're in TJ Maxx and Marshalls and everything else, but I really do, even down to their eyeshadows and stuff. Like, I do. I just really like her formula. Okay, then, oh, let me tell you how much that is. I'm getting ahead of myself. Holy crap. This thing right here is $29. I would never pay $29 for eyeliner. That's probably why it's in TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff. Wow, it's a caviar eyeliner pencil. What? Why does it say caviar? Does it have caviar in it? I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Let's move on. All right, the next thing is from Bobbi Brown. It's a smoky eye mascara. Oh, you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of girl. Like today, I have 2 different mascaras just on the top. But I love getting different mascaras, and I don't think I've ever tried a Bobbi Brown mascara, ever. All right, let's see. This is $36? Never. I would never pay $36 for mascara. The wand looks nice, and it doesn't have that much of a mascara scent. I don't know. So that's good. I mean, you know, but I'm glad to get it in a subscription box because that's not what you pay. I don't know if I told you, this is around $60 every 3 months with tax and all that type of stuff. So, all right, we have that. The only thing is I hate when I really like a product and it's like, ooh, because by far my favorite mascara is from Thrive Cosmetics. Okay, the next thing we got is from Dr. Barber. This is Awakening Eye Cream. Ooh, I've never heard of this brand, but anything for the eyes? Yes, please. All right, so that's what it looks like. Hey, this stupid ring light. Oh, I hate that you can't really see it too well. That's why I keep saying I film on my phone, but I got to get a camera so it can zoom it in and you can see it. All right, this is $45, okay? It says it's Awakening Eye Cream packed with prebiotics, probiotics, and hyaluronic acid. It leaves your eyes looking refreshed and hydrated. Okay. $45 though. That's about right for eye cream and stuff. And you only need a very little bit. Like right here, this would be, you would just do this. This is plenty for both your eyes right here, you know. And I wanted to see how thick it was and stuff. Yeah, this is nice. I like, for me, personally, at nighttime, I like thick. I like to look thick and greasy at night. During the day, I want to look matte, you know. But this is something perfect for me during the day. Absolutely. Okay, so I'm happy for that, too. There's a lot of skincare this month. A lot. All right, the next thing we have is from Fenty Skin. Now, she big. Okay, I like it. I like it. This is a Cheeky Dub. I thought it said cherry. Oh, no, cherry. It did say cherry. I need to get my glasses on. All right, this is a triple action AHA body scrub. You guys know I love exfoliating. This might be my favorite product. I love it. Let's see how much it is. Oh, look at the little cherries. And then I'll feel it because I want to see like how rough it is. The rougher, the better. And some things, not all. Trust me. I didn't even know they had like a body scrub. Okay, so this is $36. I mean, it's expensive, but it's really a decent size. It's 240 grams, 8.5 ounces. And it has a safety seal, which I like. I love exfoliating like my elbows, my knees, my feet, you know, my whole body really, but especially those areas. Let's see. And it's red. Well, like, I don't know what color, like a pinky color. Okay, let's see. Yes, I can feel the sugar scrub. I'm going to love this. And I can feel like the oil too. You ever have like you know what this feels like? Like a lip scrub, just like that. It's not too, like, it's not gentle, but it's not like really rough that's going to hurt. You ever have some of those exfoliators? Oh my God. It's like tearing your skin off. This is like perfect. I mean, I have to try it to see, but it's definitely going to, after you wash it off, it's going to make you feel very soft, which I love. And it doesn't really have a scent, which I'm fine with as well. Any skincare, I don't care if it has a scent or not. Because, you know, we'll just go put moisturizer on afterwards and stuff anyway, you know. I'm so excited for that. I really, really am. Okay. 2 more items. The next thing is from Amika. This is a leave-in conditioner, and we're always getting stuff, for, at least I am, from Amika. But Amika has really good products, and I would rather have a leave-in conditioner. Love it, because you guys know I dye my hair just for the color. I have a little bit of grays. I mean, I am 48 years young, but I do it more for the color because you guys know I wear my fake ponytails, and so it can match, you know. But since I do dye my hair, the ends of my hair, you know, I always have to put like treatments in it and different things. So I'm glad to get this. Oh, that's cute. All right. Let me smell you. Okay. So you see this? There's a little thing here. Oh, that's cool. So it'll lock in place. Oh, that smells good. I just want to... should just put it here. Even though this is fake, at least it can make my hair smell good. This smells really good. It has like a perfumey smell, but a good one. Like a... oh, that smells really, really good. All right, let's see how much that is. That's something, if it works, I will definitely repurchase. It smells so good. Okay, $29. I can afford that because I don't have that much hair. My hair is very thin. This will probably last me probably a year. I don't know. But, you know, $29 twice a year or something like that for me, you know, absolutely. Oh, I'm so excited. That is nice. These two right here for me, the box. All right, and last but not least, we have from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is the Tartelette Juicy Palette. I do not think I have that palette. And what are they, about $45 or something like that? Let me see. This is the Juicy Amazon Clay Palette for $47. It says, mix and match the shades for endless eye looks. You'll fall in love every time. I don't think I have this, but I don't know. Unless this is newer, because I do have a lot of Tarte stuff. Let me smell. Yes, this is the famous Tarte smell. Like the Too Faced smell. So you do get a mirror, and these are the shades. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous? That is so pretty. Okay, let me just do a couple swatches. I wish Tarte would do like some more colorful, because, you know, they're like nude or neutral shades or what have you are very good, the formula, you know. Do you remember when Tarte had that New Year's or April Fool's palette, and everybody wanted it, and everybody was so mad when they realized it was the April Fool's joke? I mean... so there are a couple, these ones are very light, but we know how Tarte works by now, you know. You can always wet them, or they are buildable. All right, let me just do a couple mattes. I just want to see if it's the same formula that I'm used to. So this is the darkest color. We'll have to see. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely the formula. Look at that. That's just going in one time. And I can tell you Tarte is a buildable, but it doesn't get like, it won't get too much darker than this. I can tell you that because I have a lot of their palettes. But it's all right. Okay, so let's recap everything that I got in my November 2024 Ipsy Icon box. So we got the palette. This was $47 right here. I'm really glad to get this palette. I really, really am. Amika. I love that name for some reason. Amika. We have the leave-in conditioner. Happy. Let me make sure I have it locked. Oh, nope. Why isn't it locking? What? Oh, no. What did I do? Did I lock? Nope, that's not locked.
5 minutes later.
I got it. It's locked now. All right, we have that. I am so excited to get this. I'm really happy. These three right here, like I would definitely pay $60 for altogether. Absolutely. So I'm happy to get that. We got the Laura Mercier Air pencil eyeliner. We have the Bobbi Brown mascara. We have the Origins. This is the only thing I'm like, I don't care if I were to get, but I'm happy I got it. I just wouldn't purchase it, We got the key. I forgot about this. How can I forget about you? The Key Soul Care peptides. Oh, I'm so excited for this. The Dr. Barber eye cream. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 products. That's everything. And the curator for November is Lisa Vanderpump. I think she did a great job. I understand why there's a lot of skincare because as you age, you do like to use, well, let me speak for myself. As I'm aging, I rather have skincare than makeup, right? I've always said you can get a bottle of foundation and pay $100 for it. But if your skin is not good, if you're not taking care of your skin, I don't care how expensive that foundation was, it's not going to look good. You have to take care of your skin first, So yeah, I loved everything. This is probably one of my favorite months, honest to God. Now I know if you're more into makeup, you may not like this box, but for me it's a win. It has a little mixture of everything, so I'm happy. Yeah, let me know what you think. Would you pay $60 for this? If somebody said give me $60 for this, I would be like, you damn right, hell yeah. But your opinions are what matters to me. Let me know what you think of this box. Let me know if you're excited about this. Let me know if you have any choice items. What will it be? Would you pay $60 for this? Tell me everything, because your girl's nosy.
And why is that your business?
Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. You can always tell when I haven't filmed for a while because I don't stop talking. I can't help myself. I'm a talker. Like my mother used to say, once you start talking, you never shut your mouth. Well, it's true. I still haven't. And Akira can't be bothered. Bye.